Hey everybody, people have been asking about the breakout rooms. So I'm going to make a real quick video on how to do a breakout room. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to zoom.us and you need to sign in. And once you signed in, then you need to come on down here to account management and click on that. Once you get there, you'll see account settings. Click on that. And then come over here, you'll have these 5 options. Go to In Meeting Advanced and click on that. And the very first thing that you'll see is breakout rooms, and you'll see a little toggle switch there. You need to turn that on. Okay, now once you turn that on in your account settings, then you reopen Zoom and then look at the drop down menu. Right here is the breakout rooms, and if you click on that, it won't be there when you first open Zoom, but once you set your account settings, then you're good to go. So here's your rooms. You can set the number of rooms that you want. You can automatically divide people into different rooms, or you can do it manually by placing individuals in each room. And then you can create the room by just pushing on that button, and everybody will go to their room. There will be a little tag, go to the room or something like that. Just push on it. And then everybody goes to the room. And then you can use this to bring everybody back. And it gives like a 60-second warning. And then everybody comes back to the main room. And you can chat. You can use the chat device right here with the folks in the room. Just let them know that, hey, it's time to come back. So that's the way that you use the breakout rooms in Zoom. Hope that's helpful.